Jake here for American Muscle, and today I'm taking a look at the Sec 10 rear bumper marker tint for 2015 and newer Challengers. If you're looking for an easy and affordable way to make your Challenger just that little bit more sleek and stealthy, then these are going to be a great option for you. They're easy to apply, don't even require any disassembly either, so it's an excellent choice if you want to test out that stealthy look, or if you just want a simple way to bring some more good looks to your ride. So what we've got here is a set of pre-cut pieces of tint for your rear marker lights. Now these are designed for a perfect fit every time, so there's no trimming of any kind required. They just go right over top of the lenses themselves, effectively turning them into blacked out marker lights. It's gonna go a long way towards making your Challenger look more stealthy and aggressive. If you're going for that fully blacked out trim look, these are gonna be a great addition. Now these are also made to last. The film here is a 5mm thick multi-layer vinyl that's designed for outdoor use. So this isn't gonna shrink or break down being out in the elements. It also remains flexible during its installation, meaning that you're not gonna have to fight to get this on, and it's gonna reduce the chances of it wrinkling during the application process, making it all that much easier for you. Now the adhesive on the back here is a permanent polyacrylic, so when it sticks, it's gonna stick for a while. The good thing about adhesive though is that you can remove this without damaging the finish of the light underneath. Now the film here is also breathable and it features some self-healing properties, meaning that it's going to add another layer of protection for your marker lights as well. And if something happens to hit this, you're really not going to notice much of a difference at all. Pricing here though is perhaps the best part, as the set is going to run you only about $40, and you really can't beat that for such an aesthetic improvement. Now Sec 10 also offers a matching set for the front marker lights, so for well under $100, you can have a fully matched set all the way around without having to even take anything off of your car at all. And I really don't think you can argue with that. Installation is going to get a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, and these should only take you about 20 minutes to install. It's just a peel and stick sort of deal, so you're just going to want to make sure that you prep the surface first to ensure a good stick. You also get a nice squeegee in the kit too, so you can get all those bubbles out. But other than that, very simple process. And to show you just how to get it done, let's throw it over to one of our AM customers.
For this installation, we will be using a water bottle. This is a spray bottle with just water in it. A squeegee. This actually comes in the kit. Let's get started. Today we're going to be installing the SEC 10 rear bumper marker tint smoked on my 2015 Dodge Challenger SXT Plus. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is get you clean filtered water in a spray bottle. You want a spray bottle that can do a pretty fine mist, and make sure you've got a good mist and not a stream, because you don't want droplets to form. If you have droplets, you're not going to have a good clean install. It'll have bubbles underneath it. So the first thing we do is clean the area thoroughly with water. And step 2, you clean again with water. You want to get the entire working area and a little bit more so that you don't have little dust particles falling and sticking to your transfer. Now, if this was a dry install, we would have to wait for this to completely dry. But these are not dry installs, they're wet installs. So, to do a wet install, you need to lightly mist your reflector here. If you have large droplets, it's too much water, wipe it off, mist it again. And then you peel your tint off of the backing paper, position carefully, and apply. Now you notice if you need to adjust your position, it's pretty easy to do so. You just peel away, readjust, and smooth it down. I find it best to work from one side to the other. Make sure you've got that one side on in the perfect spot. And then use your squeegee, go from center up and center down. You want to make sure you don't have any bubbles in there. There. When you have that side done, go do the other one the same way. So now we're doing the driver's side just like the passenger. You clean with plain filtered water. And then you clean it again. Peel the film. Position and apply. That one's a lot faster. And after these have sat on the car for a good day or two, you want to go out and press it down again just to make sure that baked on adhesive has actually taken hold and it's doing what you want it to.
That's gonna wrap it up here for our review and install of the SEC 10 rear bumper marker tint for 2015 and newer Challengers. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, for all things Challenger, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.